What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on Bonk, which has taken an increase guys. It has pumped up 10% in the last 24 hours, slow and consistent, which is what we want to see. So we're going to be looking at what is its target for 2024, where is it likely to head towards, is it going to keep pumping, is it going to keep crashing like it has been over the last 2 weeks, and looking at is this a crypto to be investing into this year, or should you avoid it and rather put your money into a different crypto? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I am going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart giving us the average value of Bonk, and we can still see that the actual value of Bonk is below the average value here, meaning it is not performing too well and lower than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction. Again, the reason is looking quite bullish and looking a little bit too steep, maybe because of the pump that's been taking place over the last couple of hours. However, yes, over the next 12 to 14 hours, so by midday tomorrow to tomorrow afternoon, I am expecting Bonk to be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. So it is likely to hit more green candles, but do expect drops in between as well, where it is likely to hit red candles in between. But once again, the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side, which is all that matters. But again, this is only for the next 12 to 14 hours. So let's move on to the hourly chart to find out the predictions over the next week. Again, we've got the blue and the orange line still looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction. And once again, looking quite steep as well, meaning, yes, it's not realistic. However, over the next 7 to 8 days, so towards the end of this week, early next week, I am expecting Bonk to have gone for an overall drop in value, guys. Yes, guys, only because, as you guys can see, yes, it has taken a little bit of a pump over the last couple of hours. However, this is temporary. Over the next couple of days, it is likely to hit more red days, and the value of Bonk should be dropping in value over the next 7 to 8 days. So towards the end of this week, early next week, Bonk should be trading at a lower value than where it is at the moment. However, no major drops are expected at the moment. It is going to be a slow and steady drop in value, just like how it has been over the last week or two. And yeah, that is what is likely to carry on. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, now we have taken a complete U-turn. We've got the blue and the orange line looking very steep, heading towards the bearish direction. So according to the graph, an overall crash is expected. Again, this will get quite complicated. Well, I am expecting quite of a drop in value, but over the long term, you can call it a crash. Reason for that is mentioned plenty of times in my previous updates, because it's pumped up so much in value. It is overvalued right now, and it is likely to keep dropping in value over the next approximately 6 to 8 weeks. So February, March 2024, over the next 2 to 3 months, I'm expecting the crypto to keep dropping in value, guys, and going back to where it was trading back in about September, October time, which is all the way down, meaning, yes, you can call it a crash, but it's not going to be a crash out of nowhere. There's going to be a slow and steady increase in value, which means the value of this crypto is going to keep dropping until it drops all the way back down to where it was trading back in September, October time. So let's bring out the Fibonacci scale to give you guys a little bit more explanation. As I mentioned in yesterday's video, what the crypto is likely to do is hit the resistance target here and then bounce back up in value, which is currently doing, and over the coming week or so it should drop back down into the green zone, which is here. So in the next week or two, and by late January, early February, the crypto is likely to keep dropping down in value, dropping down to the red zone, and potentially in late February, early March, it should drop all the way back down in the lower part of the red zone is where I'm expecting Bonk to be trading at. However, if there are any major changes to that, for example, if I'm expecting a major pump or a major crash or anything like that, that can have a potential impact on the value of Bonk, either in a positive or negative direction. I will make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So on the bright side, Bitcoin is up 4%, guys, hitting $44,000, guys. And as mentioned previously, I'm expecting it to head over $45,000 by mid-January. So over the next 2 weeks, it should be able to head over $45,000. And at the moment, it is in the right direction. And if it does manage to hit over 45k, then we should have a positive outcome in the crypto market. And it should start moving in a positive direction, which I'm expecting. But you guys may be wondering, so if the crypto market is moving in a positive direction, what would happen to Bonk? I'm not expecting Bonk to follow a similar pattern to all the other cryptocurrencies, only because of the way it's been performing over the last month or two, gaining crazy numbers, guys. Over 10,000% increase in a space of 2 months. That means the crypto is definitely overvalued, so it is very unlikely for it to follow a similar pattern to the majority of the cryptocurrencies out there. So going into the CoinMarketCap website, the trading volume has once again dropped by nearly 4% in the last 24 hours, making it $120 million. Again, the reason for the drop is, of course, the drop in value over the last 7 days was 20%. Over the month, it is still 265% up. However, since about the 15th of December, it has taken a major drop, guys, at least about 40 to 50% drop. So not many people are trading it. But the fact that it's slowly starting to pump up again is like the trading volume is likely to increase over the next couple of hours as well. But yeah, this is my take and my prediction on Bonk, guys. Let me know if any of your predictions have changed. What are you predicting on Bonk for 2024? I'm getting a lot of hate saying that it's going to crash, but that is the reality of crypto, and it is a Solana based cryptocurrency as well. So yeah, more or less they have a slight link, but not fully. So yeah, comment down below your predictions and your takes on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video. And I catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.